Now, one of the more challenging activities that we find to demonstrate to patients is C3 coins. And for those of you who are listening, I know most of you would have done the activity. Again, you're tracking an object inwards while you're seeing the objects in the background start to demonstrate some physiological diplopia. You're trying to get them to fuse the object in the background. It's a little bit of an abstract description to give to people. It's something they might not have experienced. So I wanted to just share with you the video that we've put together, again, that you can help your team to understand the activity as well as patients that you're sending it home to. So within NeuroVisual Trainer, within the videos area, again, there's well over 100 different activities that you can assign. If we look here at C3 coins, I'll give you an example of what it might be as an experience for the patient. So there's going to be a nice description down here at the bottom, which tells them exactly what they're doing. 2 coins in front of you using the pointer. You're going to bring your eyes in and converge while looking soft to try and get a sense of that feeling of how to converge your eyes, how to bring your eyes inwards. And as you can see, this is where people often get stuck. They have a hard time seeing if there's more coins in the background. One of the nice things with the animation here is it's going to show you exactly what's occurring. And as you get closer, they're going to start fusing in together. So it's giving people a visual at home. Sometimes if you send it home with a parent who wasn't there to observe or a patient who hadn't totally grasped the task, we usually find it takes a few weeks for people to get this. But once they do, there's often big breakthroughs, and then you can start moving the target. You can get fusion while you're moving. It's a way to tell your eyes or teach your eyes how to look where you want them to. So this particular video we find really helpful. Feel free to take a look at it and again, use it with your team, and you can use it with your patients.